welcome back to my channel, or if you're new and you're just joining me now, then hi, welcome. Today's video is a very highly requested video, only just of recently. If you watch my last two videos, then you will know that my hair was a lot different than what I normally have it. It was quite curly, wavy, and I had lots of messages, people asking me, how do you get your hair like that, Jade? I need to know. So I thought that I would do a tutorial on it and just show you how I curl my hair and get the wavy, beachy kind of curly look. It kind of depends where I'm going or what kind of vibe I want my hair to be like. So sometimes I want my hair to be like really tight curls, or sometimes I just like to have it really nice, naturally wavy curly hair. It just kind of depends. But I'm kind of just loving the like wavy kind of look at the moment. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to curl my hair. I'm just going to show you how I do it. So what I use is just this curling wand. I think I got this for Christmas, not last year, the year before. James got me a curling wand for Christmas. It was like a set. I think it come with all different kind of heads, so you can take the head off and it's detachable. It comes with, I think it's like maybe 6 different heads. I'm not entirely sure. So this is the thickest one that they do, and then there's like smaller ones. There's one that's like really thick at the bottom and it goes really thin at the top. So it just kind of depends what kind of style you want your curls to be. So yeah, all sorts of different style curls. So I like to use this one because I like my curls to be big and thick. So that's what I'm going to use today. I will leave the link down below to the curling one that I have, so you can check it out if you want to. But I think James got it off Amazon. It was literally like £30, £32, something like that. So yeah, I'm just going to tie my hair up. I like to section my hair off and just into 2 parts. So I'm just going to section that off. I don't have a mirror, so I'm just literally, if you see me looking to the side, it's because that's where my mirror is. I'm just kind of using my viewfinder as my mirror. So yeah, I'm going to brush that. So my hair is freshly washed. I just washed it this morning and I blow dried it, and this is what it comes out like. So I would say be careful because this is like really hot and I'm forever burning my hands. So yeah, just be careful. So what I do is I just take a large section of hair and I take the wand and then I just put it right to the top, and then I just wrap it round, and then I just hold the end. I don't like put the whole of the end in my hair on the wand, if you know what I mean. And then just hold it for a few seconds. And then let go. And then the curls will be like this. So quite tight to begin with, but they will drop, and I just like to brush it all out and put a bit of hairspray in, and that's how I do my hair basically. So I like to start from the front and then I just work my way to the back and do the back sections. Again, quite a thick bit of hair, not like a small piece. This is the bit where I always burn my hand, my arm. And I literally just do this all over my head, and yeah. It's the waiting. I feel like I need a mirror. I don't feel like I can do it without a mirror. So I've moved my mirror down there, so if I keep looking down, it's because that's where I put my mirror. I mean, when I do my hair, I'm not like, I don't try to make it be, I try not to spend too much time on it because I just haven't got time or the patience. I literally just try and do it as quick as I can and hope for the best. But yeah, these are really hot. They're like 230 degrees and I'm forever burning my hands on them, or my ears, on my scalp. So it does come with, does it come with a, no, I don't think it does come with a glove, but you can wear a glove. Any kind of glove, really. And if you feel that it's not the curl that you like, you're like, oh, it's looking a bit naff, that bit, I just go back and do it again. And I try not to pull it so tight on the wand. I want it to be like loose but not too tight, if you know what I mean. So it's not like overly a tight curl, it's like kind of loose but not, if you know what I mean. Should be okay. Yeah, so then it just goes like that. So to do the other side, same again, take a section of the hair and then just wrap it round. I think it's trickier to do it on the opposite side because, yeah, if the opposite side, this side, it's more trickier for me. That should be enough. It's done. Yeah, see, I don't really like them to be really big, like tight, sorry. But I do feel that might need a bit more. Let's try that again. Oh, right. So yeah, hold a little bit. I think you just hold it for like a minute, if that, half a minute. And then it should look something like that. I hate these little bits there, they're so annoying. And then take another section. Wrap that round. Once you like master how to do this, you could, bastard. See what I mean, how. Once you like master how to do this, you can literally do it in minutes. Just to achieve like a simple wavy look. I'm really like, I really dig like just a wave, just a nice simple wave. Okay, and then one last bit. Someone said to me that they have like, they struggle to use a curling wand because their hair's like short. They feel like they don't get the look the same as me when they do it, but I feel like it can look just as good if you have short hair. Don't need to have long hair. I recently had my hair cut, was it just before Christmas? So it used to be really, really long, and I feel like now I've had it cut, I find that it does curl a bit better because when my hair was so long, it was wrapping the hair around the wand several times, so it was thick and it'd take forever to, you know, curl and stuff. So I do find that now I've had my hair cut, it does feel a bit better. So then I just section it off like this, just that bit. Literally, I do normally have clips, but I'm just using a bowl because I don't have anything else. So yeah, then I just section it off like that, into another section, and then I'm just gonna quickly do this. I'm gonna speed this a bit up, I'm gonna quickly do it, and then I'll show you how I do like the top side bits. And if I do keep looking down, it's because my mirror is there. Okay, so that section's done. I'm just going to do the top bit now. Oh my god, it hurts your arms doing that. It's like a workout. Whew. Woo! So then I'm just, parting one, section it off into two sections. I always do that as well, like always section the hair into two sections, and I just do like one side to the other side. But you just know it's all done. So like, obviously these bits are straight, these bits are curler, these bits are straight, so obviously I know that I need to do this bit, and this bit's pretty much done. So when I'm doing these front bits here, I like to just, let's just get that bit, take the piece and then I wrap it round that way rather than doing it the other way, if you know what I mean. So then it goes like that, rather than, I mean, you could do it that way if you wanted to, like that way, if you wanted to. I don't know, I quite like to do it that other way. So I'm just gonna do that bit again because that just didn't work. I could try it this way actually. Let's do it this way. See, if I'm just doing my hair like this just for like every day and I just want it curly so that when it lasts a couple of days, wavy, curly, I'm not overly fussed on getting it to be, obviously that's better. Actually it looks better like that. I quite like that. If I'm just like, you know, for example today, I'm doing this obviously with the purpose of the video, but if I was to just do this maybe on a Monday, I've just washed my hair and I'm not doing much in the week, but I want to have nice curly wavy hair. I'll just do this on a Monday and it lasts a couple of days and then obviously before I need to wash it again. But if I'm going on a night out, then oh my god, it takes forever to do my hair and I don't know why. I think it's just because I want my hair to be nice and I want it to be perfect. I want the curls to stay in all night. I want them to be as tight as possible when I'm going on a night out because they're going to drop by the end of the night anyway. And I just want them to look good. God, oh my god, it aches so bad to do it. See, look at that. The curls are really quite tight and bouncy, but once you brush them out, it's just going to be really nice and wavy. But I love it so much. I feel like I could go over this bit again here and then do the other side and then we're pretty much done. As I was saying earlier, it doesn't take me that long to do my hair like now, as opposed to when it was longer. It took me ages. My arm's gonna fall off. Right. So as you can see, really nice tight curls. I do quite like that though. It's nice. I would maybe, if I was going on a night out, I probably wouldn't brush it out. I'd just leave it maybe and put a bit of hairspray in because I do quite like that. But just recently I've been brushing it out, so it's just, instead of it being really curly like this, just nice and wavy. So I'm just going to do this bit now. So I think I prefer to do it that way actually. You could actually just hold it like that if you wanted, or like that, just make sure you don't burn your head. But yeah, James got me this off Amazon, literally so cheap. When he asked me what I wanted for Christmas, when he got me this like 2 years ago, I said to him I wanted like a big thick barrel wand because I like thick, big wavy curls. I did have one previous to him buying me this, and it was like more thinner, so the curls were more tighter, which I don't mind, I do like, but I think I prefer my curls to be bigger and more thicker and wavier, you know. So when he got me this, I was so surprised because it came with like different heads, and he was like, I didn't know which one to get you, so I got you this one, so now you can choose how you want your curls. So that was a good present. So there we go, that's done. See, look, it just so nice and curly, and then one obviously when you brush it out, it's just gonna be nice and wavy. Okay, so then obviously if you feel like you've missed bits, like at the back, I've missed loads, you just grab a piece of hair from the back and then I just kind of turn around, or try to turn my head, and then just do it. So this is what it looks like now. I've curled all of my hair, and again, I do love it like this. I think the curls are really pretty, really nice, but I am, well, that's not that curly that side, is it? No, I think I'm gonna just curl this one little piece again because I'm not happy with that. It's not the same. I've got a bit of OCD, sorry guys. This is why it takes me forever on a night out to do my hair, because it's just, you want it to be perfect. I want it to be perfect. Even though I'm not going to care in a few hours because I'm going to be drunk and my hair's going to be looking rubbish. So that's better. It looks a bit better now. Kind of looks similar, symmetrical, I don't know. It's probably, I've probably missed little bits, like I can never get every single piece, but yeah, I'm just going to take my brush and then I'm just going to brush it out. Just brush it out like this. And then it should just be nice and wavy instead of, ooh, tangled, curly. So this is the end result. I absolutely love it. As you saw just before I brushed it out, the curls were really, really tight. And obviously when you brush it out, they just become really loose and wavy. And yeah, so this is how I do my hair like this. A lot of you were asking, so I thought I would show you. And I just put a little bit of hairspray on if you want. I don't really always put hairspray on, I just kind of just leave it, but you can put a little bit on if you want. I'm not a big fan of hairspray, I just feel like it just makes my hair a bit sticky and gross and stuff. But yeah, they're not like, this is probably going to annoy me because it just doesn't look the same. Do you know what I mean? The curls. But you can just easily fix that, just go back over it and fix the curl and then brush it out, and you know. But yeah, that's the end result. I hope you like this tutorial. Probably obviously wasn't the best. I've never done anything like this before, but I gave it my best shot. If you obviously wanted it different, you could just maybe not brush it out if you wanted, and you could leave the curls like it was. But I just think this is nice. I feel like I said to myself before I filmed this video, but when I do this tutorial and I do my hair like I always do, it's not going to look as good. You know what I mean? But we're just going to go with it. I feel like it's not turned out the best as like it has been in previous videos, but never mind. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, because then I'll know that you enjoyed this video. If you'd like me to do maybe more tutorials on my hair, I mean, I don't really have any other hairstyles than this, or straight or scruffy bum bum, but I'm trying to do more with my hair. So if you would like more hair tutorials, let me know, leave a comment down below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then make sure you subscribe before you leave. Make sure you click the little notification bell also, because then you'll get notified when I upload a video. I upload twice a week, sometimes 3, maybe a little bonus video thrown in, but I will always let you know on Instagram if I'm going to upload or when I've uploaded. So I will leave my Instagram down below as well, so you can go and follow me on there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.